Hello guys, how y'all doing today? Hey, we went so far, hadn't had any rain today, and not supposed to for the rest of the week. So I'm hoping I can get my load of sand back here and build this yard up. But I wanted to give y'all an update on the pole beans. I'm giving them some water right now. But I got to get out here and pick all of these pole beans. Let me show them to y'all. Anyway, they go all the way up the pole, and all the way down, and they're just full of these beautiful beans. They're everywhere. But the wind has been so bad today. I gotta get these babies picked. They're getting too big. This wind has dried them out tremendously. But I don't see any really bad places where bugs are eating them. They just got dry from all this wind. This yard is still a muddy mess. Crawfish holes everywhere. This is a cantaloupe that we planted from a cantaloupe. I got to get them trellised up. Jalapenos doing pretty good. I need to water them. They're looking dry. Mariachi peppers are looking pretty good. What, baby? Miss Autumn out here walking around in the yard. What's up? Say hi. Say hi, everybody. And this, I gotta take this thing down. It's just too windy to have a greenhouse here. And if you're gonna have one, you might well have a professional one. All the tomatoes are dying. Too hot. Hey, my pepper bush came back. Ooh, I got the smallest peppers in the world. But it's just a mess out here. I need to start over. But you didn't. Anyway, had to go put Autumn up. She found an old tomato I threw out and picked it up and took a bite. Yeah. Anyway, here's a new project I'm starting. Since it's drying up, I can start it now. I'm gonna rip these up the middle and cut 2 foot off of them and make some 6 by 2 raised beds. Since I ordered 2 raised beds from Northern Tool and never received them. But I should be able to get 3 of them out of 3 sheets. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, guys. That's almost it for today. But I wanted to show John at Willett Grove what I got in the mail. Was supposed to be his package, but this is what came. And they even put it in upside down. Well, I thought it was upside down, but it's not. Yeah, it is. Postal Service is upside down. Anyway. This is what they sent me. And that's what it says. We care. Dear value postal customer, I want to extend our sincere apology, then close this document that was inadvertently damaged in handling your postal service. Well, duh. I never got it. Well, what can you say about our postal service nowadays? Unreliable. Well, Amazon's even unreliable. I ordered one of them pH meters that John was talking about. The package came and it was empty. So I contacted them. We'll send you another one. Never got that. Still haven't got my refund either. So I can try to order another one, but I don't know what's up with them people. They're getting crazy as a postal service. Well, that's it for right now. I'm going to have a little video at the end of this video for John at Willet Grove. We're just joking with you, John. Don't get upset. But y'all please subscribe. We love you, and we'll make you another video soon. Hey, Johnny, this is for you.
Johnny boy.
Johnny boy.
Johnny boy.
He's awesome.